line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
And again, in autonomous, the first 15 seconds programmed by the human players to see what they can do with it. They're scoring high atop the reef. That's worth 7 points for each one of those pieces of coral. They can score 3 points by moving off of the starting line, as it looks like all of the bots have done. Coming out of autonomous, the Red Alliance has the lead with a score of 30-12. The human players now control for 2 minutes and 15 seconds is 95-22. Placing coral on the low branch. That's worth 3 points right now. It's 94-80. The Gear Bears placing one high atop the reef, worth 5 points. With 1:54 left to go, there's still plenty of action that can take place. A lot of algae that can be moved. A lot of coral that can be placed upon the reef to rebuild it as we try to bring the aquatic life back into the area here at Mercer University. 1833, Team Bean placing the coral on the reef, high atop the reef. That's another 5 points, is 94-80. The Gear Bears do the same thing. On the Blue Alliance, 95-22, heading around the reef. Their alliance partner, 8866, Innovation Robotics, placing the coral high atop the reef. It falls back into the Marianas Trench as the Red Alliance scores 4 points by processing the algae up into the net. It's 76-27 with 1:05 left to go in match number 5, 94-80. Again, scoring high atop the reef as another piece of algae is placed in the net on the barge high atop the ocean waves. 1833 dancing around with 3318 as 3318 tries to stop the Red Alliance from getting that coral and scoring those points. 1833, that's Team Bean placing it low on the reef, worth 3 points for their alliance as 3318 studying the ocean currents and the nets deep in the ocean. On the Blue Alliance side of the field, the Alliance moving around with 88. That's the final 20 seconds of the match. 3318 has grabbed hold of that cage. They're trying to lift themselves off of the ocean floor to gain 12 points for their alliance. Both of the red bots have done the same. 1833, Team Bean and the Gear Bears up off of the ocean floor. If they can stay there, they will gain 12 points apiece and possibly that ranking point. 3318 up off of the ocean floor. If that's stays and they were able to maintain that position off the ocean floor, it looks like they'll gain the ranking point as well. We'll see when the fish swim and the score is revealed in just a moment. All right, let's take a look on the reef. What color fish will be swimming? It is the Red Alliance, victorious in that match with a score of 137-45. 137-45. Our current high score back in match number 52 was 157. That was match number 5 of, again, what will be 90 total qualifying matches over the next couple of days.